Hi, this is Eric here, displaying my electromagnetic projectile launcher, term I use while at school, or coil gun when I'm at home, or not in school, rather. Basically, when you run current through a coil, there's a force that's induced, and I wanted to do an experiment to display this. There were some things that I had to figure out with the circuitry that I hadn't learned yet in school in order to make this possible. But I was able to get around, to figure that out. So basically, let me show you the design. You can see the coil. You can see the coil there. Well, I probably shouldn't turn the phone. You can see the coil there, and I used some half-inch PVC and put it on a lathe and spun it to reduce the thickness of it, because it pretty much has the permeability of air, and you want to reduce this. Like different materials have different ferromagnetic permeability. And then also I use the lathe to spin the magnetic wire around the PVC to create the coil. You can see the capacitor bank there below. Use that to induce the voltage supplied because needed a DC voltage. And basically used a voltage multiplier to take the 120 volt AC wall source and stepped it up to, I think, like around 720 volts was I remember measuring it at, DC, the voltage multiplier, it steps it up as well as converts it. Just putting capacitors, doing various things that I won't bore you with. And then also I put some jacks to put a DMM to read the voltage so that you can, do experiments with different voltages. So why don't I show you the experiment. This is the projectile that I spun on a lathe. So babe, I'm doing a video on my experiment. Yeah. So charge it here. I have to charge it for a few seconds. 10 or 12 seconds got us the 700 volts or so. So it takes about 12 seconds. And that's probably good. And I had to put this switch that I saw at Fry's on this, and here it is. Let's see if we can hit the cat.